Hi there. In this video, I'm going to feature some of the many applications that WidgetCast can have for personal, business, and educational purposes. The internet has evolved, and so has the way many of us start our day. We no longer read the morning paper, but rather access a wide range of information on a daily basis according to our personal preference. There's a variety of websites to choose from. Many of us use social media on a daily basis. Others listen to daily podcasts, watch video reports on technology, news, or read the latest world headlines from CNN. All of this involves opening and closing browser windows, waiting for pages to load, and often aimless browsing. It can be very time-consuming. Take a look at this personal widget that literally took minutes to make in WidgetCast. It combines all of the information sources into one. If you've ever wondered if you've missed anything from any of your favorite information channels, the live update feature available in WidgetCast will pop up to let you know of any new updates. You can browse through and see exactly what you missed. This widget contains my own customized content. Everything from CNN headlines to ESPN podcasts, all available with the live update function. You don't need to know Flash or be a programmer whatsoever. If you know how to use a click and drag program like PowerPoint, you can make your own personal widget. And here's how easy it is. The first thing I'll do is import a background from the WidgetCast library. That will form the background of my widget. Next, I need to create pages for each one of my widget elements. I'm going to include 4 in this example: an RSS feed, a Twitter feed, a podcast, and a video channel to get videos from YouTube. On the CNN page, I'll simply enter in the RSS address for CNN headlines, press enter, and the page will automatically refresh. I can also customize the look of the RSS feed by selecting different options available in the custom drop-down menu. Here, I'm adding in a video channel. As you can see, there is a wide range of styles you can choose from. After I choose my style, I need to type in the username of the YouTube channel and press enter. The video channel will quickly refresh with my new content. Follow the same steps with the podcast. Choose a style, resize your player, and then type in the address for the podcast in the property window below. Just follow the same procedure on all the other pages with each individual element. You can resize and customize them according to your own preference. So now you have all these pages, so how do you connect them? WidgetCast comes with an extensive library of graphics that can be used for buttons, backgrounds, or anything else. In this case, we want buttons. I'll import in a couple of graphics here, then add in the actual buttons, which are the transparent items that provide the linking functions. Just label these buttons as you wish. You'll need to define the destination of each button by going to the link section on the right of your screen and selecting a page within your widget or an external URL. If you want your widget to be able to drag around the screen with a transparent background, you'll want to select those options on the background page as well. Personal widgets can be as unique as you'd like. Here's another one with basically the same content, but a whole different style. Widgets can be used in the classroom too. Here, I'm putting together a widget using elements that are mostly included with WidgetCast. In this widget, I've incorporated different images, videos, and pictures from a variety of different sources. Using widgets to make class presentations encourages students to learn and incorporate new social media such as YouTube, Flickr, Picasa, or even their own blogs into a presentation. WidgetCast provides the tool to bring it all together into a unique, customizable package. Students will be able to enjoy creating their own unique widget as easily as they can create a PowerPoint, except the widget looks a little bit cooler. I've shown you the personal and educational applications for WidgetCast, but what about for business? The Reallusion widget has a similar setup. The latest video tutorials for all the products are available by clicking the buttons, and you can access all the social media outlets as well. Widgets aren't just one-way tools either. The Reallusion widget includes a feedback form that provides users with a direct contact for any inquiries. Another corporate benefit of being able to create your own widgets is the ability to import 3D animated models into your widget and use them as product display tools on a website. Take this Apple widget for example. The rotating 3D models really pop out in front of the web page. It's an excellent way to draw attention to featured products that you want to stand out. It's easy to do too. If I open the Pop Video Composer window in this widget, you can see that there are a number of items listed under the Menu Items section. These are the individual animated 3D models you saw on the widget. If you have an animation in the form of an iWidget file, you can add it to the menu. Or if you want, you can add a URL link as well. You can add further detail by importing your own icon to the custom banner. Here I've added an Apple logo. Another cool thing you can do in WidgetCast is import in live actor videos to act as greeting or information agents. Say for example I wanted to add a live actor animation to my Apple widget to act as an information agent. So every time I clicked on a menu item, she would appear and give a product information description. In this case, I need to have some original green screen footage first. If I use Reallusion's Pop Video Converter like shown here, I can remove the green screen in a single click. The next step is to export the live actor video into WidgetCast. To do this, I simply select iWidget as the output format. After the export is finished, I can add the live actor video to my widget to act as an information agent by adding a menu item, opening up the iWidget motion file, and giving it a name. Why don't we call her Info Girl? Now I can click on Info Girl and she'll give a description of any one of the products. So now that you have your widget, the next step is how to share it with your friends or distribute it with your clients. There are a number of sharing options available in WidgetCast. The first is to upload your widget to Reallusion WebSpace. This gives you 10 free megabytes of storage space, and with most widgets being around 1 megabyte in size, that's more than enough space to host a lot of widgets. The second option is to upload to your own web space. You simply need to enter in your own URL here. The third powerful export option with WidgetCast is Adobe Air format. This format is ideal for desktop use and installs quickly while taking up very little space. The options are highly customizable too. You can do things such as customize the icon for your widget or have the widget start up with your PC. One more thing. In the Manage page, you can share and publish your widget via email or social media. First, find the widget you want to share and select the Publish and Share option. This will bring up a number of sharing options. Email is fairly simple. Just enter the correct info in the fields and email your friends or your clients. You can also share the widget via social media. However, be aware that if you select transparent or drag on your widget, some social media which do not support JavaScript will become disabled. Alternately, you can copy and paste the embed code provided into any website you want. I'll post this widget to my Blogger account to give an example. After I enter in my information and submit, the widget will be posted to my blog. Here you can see the floating transparent widget on my blog. It's certainly a lot more interesting than the blog itself. These are just some of the many ways that WidgetCast can be applied in personal, educational, and business scenarios. The only limit to unleashing its full potential is your creativity. Visit reallusion.com/widgetcast for more info.